Do you know how to use these articles? The articles we want to talk about are those basic articles in English, and students have a lot of difficulties knowing which one they will use. So we have are or a, we have an, we have the. How do we use them? Articles are small words that help us understand whether we are talking about something specific or something in general. Okay, so they help us. So, and it's used before words that start with a vowel or vowel sounds. So, example, we saw vowel detective in one of our videos. So we have A, we have E, we have I, O, U. So for beginners, it's advisable to know how to separate them. When you separate them, at least you have a 60% chance of getting it correct. So if any word should begin with these letters, if you put an at the beginning, you are most likely right. So look at an for vowels, the words that begin with vowels. Okay. And we have some exceptions. Look at this word. The first letter is H, which is a consonant. H-O-U-R or H-O-N-E-S-T. This first word is read as owl, but you don't hear H. You don't hear the sound of H. It's silent. The second word is honest. Honest. You don't hear H. The H is silent. So the sound that comes for the second one, honest, is So that's a vowel sound. So we say an owl, an honest. Say an honest person. Example, this is an honest boy. Why? This boy returns the man's wallet. So he is honest, an honest boy. All right. Look at this insect. Do you know this insect? Ant. So we say an ant because the first sound is a. The first letter is a. So an ant. If you chose it based on the first letter, okay, you get it correct. Next, this is avocado, an avocado. This is apple, an apple, one apple, an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Axe, an axe, an axe. Look at the starting letters. A, or a. So an. That's fine. No complications. So what is this? Egg. The first letter is E. The sound is E vowel. So we say the next picture is elephant. Elephant. The next picture is I. One eye. And the next picture is ear. One ear. So what do we say? An egg. The next is an elephant. Next is an ear, one ear, an ear. And finally, an eye, an eye. We look at this picture, look at this multicolored thing. This is a caterpillar, a caterpillar. But since we are talking about referring it here to insect, I is the first letter of insect. So it's a vowel. So we say an insect. Look at ice cream here. I is the first letter of the word ice cream. So we say an ice cream. And the last one is an iron. An iron. We use it to press. This is oven. Oven. So we have O as the first letter and O is a vowel sound. An oven. Some people can refer it to a microwave. Microwave. If it is microwave, M is the first sound. M is the first letter, which is a consonant. So we'll come to that. This animal is octopus. This fruit is orange. So which letter, which article do we use? Which letter? Orange starts with O. Octopus starts with O. So what do we use for both of them? Ta-da-da-da! An orange. And finally, an octopus. We have seen this. So if we want to write a sentence about this picture, we can say this is an ant. This is an ant. What about the second picture? Look at this. What is this? Do you have in your bag? Eraser. Eraser. If you use eraser, then you will say, this is an eraser. But if you use rubber, if you call this rubber, then you use a different article. Okay? So if we have open box, we say an open box. If we have eagle, we say an eagle. Next, a or a is used before words that start with a consonant or they have the consonant sound. So, example of consonants. We have a lesson on consonants. So if you really don't master it, please go there and master it. But as a review, let's try to remember the sounds again. B for B, K for C, D for D, for F, G for G. This sound comes from the stomach. For H, J for J, K for K. K and C, they have similar sound. For L, for M, look at my mouth, it's closed. For N, you can see my teeth. For M, for N. For P, for Q, R for R, S for S, T for T, V for V, W for W, X for X, Y for Y, and Z for Z or Z, depending on which one. All right, so we have a fan. What is this? Ball. Do you say an ball or a ball? A ball. Good job. A dog or an dog. We say a dog. Look at the first letter is D and the sound is D. Now, cup. This is a cup. A cup. A cup. Finally, what is this? A book, notebook, textbook. They all begin with sounds, consonant sounds. So we say, this is a book. You can also say, this is a notebook. This is a textbook. That will be fine. What is this? What is this? Did you say bag? Great. Did you say backpack? Great. So we can say it is a bag or this is a backpack. That's fine. What is this blue one? Pen. What do you say? Excellent. Did you say it is a pen or this is a pen? That will be fine. It is a pen. Great job. And the yellow one is wonderful. Did you say it is a ruler? It is a ruler. What do you see? I see a car. Yes. I see a tree. Great. I see a car and a tree. That's fine. I see a car on a tree. The is used when talking about a specific thing. The is used when you're talking about a plural noun. So we'll explain this in detail when we come to the second part of the video. But as an example, if we are in the living room and I say, give me the remote control, it means I'm talking about a particular remote control. Please turn on the TV. turn on the TV. We are in the living room, turn on the TV. If we are in the classroom, please clean the board. So look at this picture. I see a cat on a table. We are talking about this cat, so we say the cat is a black cat. The cat is a black cat. Again, same cat. The cat has a long tail. Long tail. Good. Look at how many books are here. How many books? Wow. Did you say 4? Excellent. 4 books. Can we use a book? No, we use are if it is just one. So we say the books are on a table. Now we want to talk about the table. So we say the table is short. Look at the apples. The apples are in a box. All right, check. How many apples are there? Please count how many apples are there. Good. Did you get it? Did you say 20? Excellent. So we see that the box is big because the first layer has 20 apples. So there may be 2 or 3 layers. So it's a big box. Good job. Now use a or a, use an or the to complete this sentence. Look at the picture. How many cups do you have? So plural. Plural means many. But this word, it starts with C. Okay, so can we use are? Are cups? No, because there are many of them, we cannot use are. So we use the cups are green. Okay. In general, the choice of a or an or a is based on the sound that follows, not the specific letter. Okay, we would talk more about this when we do video 2 or the second production about these articles. But for now, for beginners, just look at it as the first letters and the first sounds. Try to master them. When you master them, then you understand the second video well. Okay, so articles like an are used before words beginning with a vowel sound. However, certain cases where the choices of a or an is determined by the sound of the following words rather than its spelling. Okay, so we'll look at this more when we come to the second video. So here is a quiz for you. Please answer these questions, complete these sentences with the correct article. Thank you very much for being part of this journey. We appreciate your support. We appreciate all what you do for us. Thank you. Please leave your comments and suggestions if need be. Thank you very much. All the best. We keep bringing videos like this to support you in your learning journey. All the best. Thank you.